Welcome back, scrappers. Today I'm going to be scrapping this. It's a HID ballast for an indoor lighting. A normal fluorescent ballast will usually cost between $12 and $40. This particular ballast will actually cost about $300 to $350, so I'm really interested to see what makes it more expensive. Okay, so now I'm just going to get the pre-scrap weight. And we've got just over a pound. Usually for ballast, that's a bad sign because it means it's filled with heavy black tar. So let me open it up and see what happens. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's full of that black tar. Usually if I open up a ballast and I see that, I just cut the wires off and throw it in with my tin pile. But like I said, this is a $300 ballast, so I just want to see what's inside there. Okay, so I got that metal jacket off the outside, so I've got about 6 ounces of tin, and then I'm stuck with this big block of tar. Again, normally I wouldn't mess with this just because it's too messy, and there's usually not much inside there, but I'm really interested to see what's in here. Okay, so I got it cracked in half there, and I can definitely see there's four decent transformers in there. There's one right here. There's another one right here. Then I've got one there and one there. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to actually just crack those off the board, and whatever's under the tar is going to stay under the tar. Okay, so this is what I could rescue from all that tar, and it took way too long. I don't think I would scrap one of these again. I think I'd just throw it in with the scrap, the shred. So I've got 4 small transformers. I'll try to break those apart and see what I can get, and a little handful of number 2 insulated copper. So out of that 1 pound ballast, I got about 2.1 ounces, 2.2 ounces of usable stuff. So I'm going to try to open up those transformers and see how much copper I can get out of them. Okay, so I just finished scrapping that ballast. Like I said, normal ballast is between $12 and $40, and that was a $300 ballast. And I ended up getting 0.4 ounces of copper out of it. A little bit of steel, and a little bit of number 2 insulated. Like I said, it's definitely not worth scrapping, but I was just curious to see what was inside there. The circuit board in there was green on both sides, so that means it's high-end circuit board. So chances are that's why it's so expensive. Okay, so that was scrapping a $300 ballast. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again.